Welcome back to Winning Law. I'm attorney David Wynn with offices in Houston, Texas. Have you checked the government's immigration website lately? For the last 2 to 3 weeks, the government's website has been down. This means that the online case tracker is not working, and many people have informed our office that they are receiving error messages when they are trying to upload documents to the my.uscis.gov portal. The situation highlights the importance of having an experienced immigration attorney to help you with your immigration case. When you have an immigration attorney, the government usually sends notices to both you and your immigration attorney. This is very important because if you're unable to check your mail and you miss important deadlines or the post office misdelivers your mail, you will still be held responsible. Let's imagine how this current issue with the immigration website being down may impact someone that is filing a green card application. Firstly, after filing the application, the government will send a receipt notice. If you don't have an attorney and you don't receive the receipt notice, you will have issues trying to monitor your case status. Secondly, after sending the receipt notice, the government usually sends a notice asking the foreign national beneficiary and sometimes the petitioner themselves to attend an ASC biometrics appointment to have their photos and fingerprints taken for a routine background check. Do you know what happens if you miss the biometrics appointment? It's really hard for people to understand or believe this, but if you miss the biometrics appointment, your case is automatically denied. Once your case is denied, there is no chance to appeal the decision since it is a procedural denial and not one based on the government's mistake or misrepresentation of the law. Now let's imagine that you received the receipt notice and the biometrics notice, but the government sends a request for evidence, otherwise known as an RFE, because you forgot to include certain or required documents with your green card application. If you don't receive the RFE and you fail to respond, can you guess what happens next? If you said that your case will be denied, you are correct. It is very rare that the government would accept a late filed RFE response. And even when you do that, you have to include special and specific legal language for them to even consider accepting it. Lastly, imagine that you received a receipt notice and attended the biometrics appointment and responded to an RFE. However, the government sends you an interview notice and you missed it because the government's website is down, or maybe you did not receive the interview notice in the mail, or maybe because the post office misdelivered your mail. Do you know what happens in this situation where you are so close to receiving your green card? If you said that your case will be denied, that is correct. It is very rare that the government would allow you to reschedule a missed interview. As you can see from this example, you cannot predict all of the problems that may happen when you do not have an immigration attorney there to help you with and also to monitor your case status. So have you ever filed a case by yourself or maybe used an attorney that did not monitor your case status online? Let us know if your case was denied for one of these reasons. Share your experience and help others understand the importance of hiring an experienced immigration attorney. Again, this is Winning Law, and thanks for watching.
At David Wynn's Law Office, we are here to help you. We bring families together through immigration. And on the other hand, we help you find solutions. All your legal needs in the hands of people who care, who are there for you. We'll take care of your loved ones at the law office of David Wynn.